Hello, I'm Claude Curran, and I'm a doctor running for Congress in Massachusetts' 9th Congressional District. Please watch my other videos to learn what my candidacy is all about. I want to tell you about a lot of ways we can save money, how we can decrease our enormous tax burden. We spend a lot of money on problems that easily lay within our control to reduce or stop, but there are powerful economic interests who don't want us to change what we're doing. Let me give you another example. I want to show you another way we can save millions of dollars in Massachusetts alone and billions of dollars across this country. This is a urine drug test. It's called a rapid cup because I can get immediate results for about 12 drugs of abuse immediately in the office setting. These tests are cheap. They cost me about $5. If you buy large quantities, obviously you save money and you can charge your patients less. We use these a lot. Employers use these to test their employees. Doctors, particularly addiction doctors, drug treatment facilities. And the court system all over the country uses drug testing, but usually through commercial laboratories. Sometimes the courts will order drug testing 3 times a week. These rapid test cups are inexpensive, and you can get a pretty good idea if the person you're testing is using drugs, provided, of course, that they are supervised while they give the urine sample. There is a lot of funny business that goes on. There are a lot of different ways to deceptively pass drug tests. Just get on the web and visit Wizinator.com. Anyway, but now, look at this. Thank you. This is a bill from a commercial laboratory for doing a $5 rapid urine test cup on one of my patients. His test was negative, and he had no drugs in the urine he gave. His other doctor orders this test every time he sees him, probably about 5 or 6 times a year. Can you see there? Can you see that number? The Quest Diagnostics lab company charged the patient's insurer, United Healthcare, $878.52 for this test. The patient was eventually charged $306.59 out of his own pocket for a $5 test. Another patient of mine who had great insurance coverage from one of the Blue Cross companies told me that his insurance paid out over $900 to the Ameritox company for the similar test, and his test was negative too. These medical labs charge even more if the test comes out positive because of the patient's right to confirmation testing, which is even more expensive. This lab scam takes place every day, thousands of times across the country, and Quest Diagnostics is not the only one. Ameritox, Callaway Labs, Willow Labs, lots of them. So for all of the families out there struggling to pay your health insurance, and working folk and you retirees, this is one of the reasons your insurance premiums and co-pays are so high. This is another scam that our politicians never address. This lab scam has to be stopped. We can't afford it. I'm Claude Curran, independent candidate for U.S. Congress in Massachusetts' 9th Congressional District. Please stop by my campaign headquarters located at 198 Hanover Street in Fall River to sign my nomination papers. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.